Hello everyone. Today, we're taking a close look at something every car or bike owner should have. A reliable tire pump. This is the Bosch Easy Pump. It's an electric pump designed for bike and car tires. The build quality feels solid, and the hose connection is screw-on, which helps prevent air leaks. It boasts a max pressure of 150 psi, a digital gauge, and comes with some nozzle attachments. To operate the tire pump, press the red button to turn it on. To switch the pressure unit between kPa, bar, and psi, use the top middle button. Adjust the preset pressure by pressing the right button to increase it, or the left button to decrease it. Pressing the bottom middle button will start the pump. Pressing the red button again will turn it off. Portability is a plus here. It can fit easily in a backpack. I'm going to test it on my bicycle. The front tire is completely flat. The TPMS app shows 0 kilopascals, meaning there's no air at all. Let's pump some air into the tire. One thing to note, it's a bit noisy when running, especially in a quiet area. Not a deal breaker, but something to keep in mind. As you can see, it takes about 13 seconds for the tire pump to inflate my bicycle tire from 0 kilopascals to 210 kilopascals. The tire pressure is no longer in red, but it looks like I lost some air when the pump was being unscrewed from the tire valve. Now I'm going to test inflating my car tire with the pump. I have to fast forward the video because it takes about 1 minute to pump the car tire from 185 to 210 kilopascals. This means the larger the tire, the longer it takes for the pump to inflate it. So, is this tire pump worth it? For the price, I'd say yes. It's reliable, easy to use, and works well for everyday needs. Whether you're topping off bike tires or dealing with a low car tire in a pinch, this pump gets the job done.